Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm gonna show you how to archive reels on Instagram. But make sure that you would watch this video until the very end so that you won't make any mistake in the process. Before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Open up the Instagram app. Now from your home screen, head over to the profile section on the bottom right of the screen. Now here you will be able to see all the posts in your account. Now go to the Reels section. And in this section, you can see all the reels that you have posted. Now tap on the reel that you want to archive. Now here, tap on the three dots on the bottom right. From the menu, tap on the first option, Manage. Now tap on the very last option, Archive. As you tap on it, it says that you can remove this reel from your archive anytime. All remixes of this reel will also be deleted and any reels using your original audio will be muted. If you restore your reel, these will be restored. Now if you are confirmed that you want to archive this video, then tap on Archive option. Now it says that only you can see the posts you have archived. Now in any time you can unarchive this to the normal place and it will be back to the normal place, and in this way you can archive your reels in Instagram. If this video was useful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel, and also you can comment down below any suggestions for us. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.